Hi, won't you love it if your child comes rushing back from school telling you, look ma, what I made today, look, this is what I've done, this is what I've made. So I'm sure you're going to be thrilled, and even more thrilled you're going to be when you find out that at home the child is preferring to play with jigsaw puzzles and sorting activities and stacking activities, match the following activities, and not swiping mobile. I'm sure it's going to be a dream for you, and here we can make your dream come true. This is Malshri, co-founder of Ignited Minds Innoventures. It's a STEM education organization based in Delhi, and we have been designing and customizing hands-on learning activities for students from preschool to grade 8, and all with the collaboration of top educationists, academicians, and early childhood learning experts, child counselors, child psychologists who have helped us design these activities. Now, these activities are provided to the school and the child in a box called the Newton box, a very attractive one, and the specific number of activities chosen by the school and sometimes designed after a lot of discussion and research by the school coordinators according to the school curriculum grade wise. So each grade child will get a different activity depending on the increasing complexities. So a lot of parents ask us that we buy these educational aids from the market, so see, I'll just give you an example. A plant growing in a pot, a flower pot, would it grow as good as a lot of plants growing together? I'm sure the latter would flourish more. They will just bloom more flowers. It's because it's the same way, the children learn more and better with their peer group, with their friends. They get more motivated to learn. They're less distracted. The focus increases, and there is this teamwork happening. When there are hand motor skill development happening, there is a the cognitive ability is developing, their memory skills and their helping skills, the empathy develops. In case there is a problem, they'll help their friend solve that problem. So collaboration is happening, communication skills are increasing. So you understand the brain at this time during the formative years is having intense neurological activity, and this is the time where you should be providing them with the resources and help them work in a team, right? So this is exactly what National Education Policy 2020 is also emphasizing upon. They're saying that we should discourage rote learning. We should provide a stress-free, beautiful environment full of resources to these children, and let them learn through their natural curiosity. This will help them learn better, remember better, and also develop their personality for the future. We don't know, it's an unpredictable future. So this is all happening in a very play way. So children are not stressed, they enjoy learning, and they wouldn't even know that they're learning. So 2 into 2 2s are 4 करने का ज़माना गया learn कराने का. Now you have to switch to why 2 into 2 is 4. We don't teach the way we were taught, right? It has to be different, it has to be new. Let them explore the world, and I'm sure all the parents want the best for their child. So just join the STEM club and find out what is there in the Newton box. And in case you have queries, you can just mail us on support@ignitedminds.asia and we'll answer your query. Thank you so much.